and welcome to our School at Home class in English Grade 7. We are in the fourth quarter of our set of lessons, and I hope everybody will delight in learning today with lesson number 10. When you read a paragraph, you will deal with sentences. Words, phrases, and clauses are the main parts of both sentences and paragraphs. As we read, we need to understand some questions and identify what kind of information is being asked, general or specific. Specific information refers to exact or precise fact or description of something mentioned in the text. General information is normally vague and represents a broad description of something. Commonly, general terms refer to a broad class, type, and grouping of words. The specific terms, then, denote a distinctive member or element, a species, individual, component, particular for. To make it clear, compare the following pairs of words. Animal, tigers. Acids, sulfuric acids. Flower, lily. Cloth, pants. In those pairs, you find that the words in the left have less detail than the words in the right. Animal, for example, is more general than tigers. Moreover, there are many other terminologies that can be classified as the word animal, such as elephant, monkey, cat, etc. General statements are usually the topic sentence or the main idea of the paragraph. Specific statements are the supporting information for the topic sentence or main idea. When we read in the form of sentences, it will be clearer to identify. For example, school children do not like reading books. Brian is in 7th grade and hates reading books. Example 1 is a general statement as it talks about all the school children. Example 2 is very specific as it talks about a particular student and his likes. Recognizing specific and general statements means understanding how sentences work in paragraph. The terms general refers to the general sentence of the paragraph. It is usually called topic or general idea. It is the key sentence in a paragraph because it names the subject and the controlling idea, the author's main idea, opinion, or feeling about the topic. The general idea is supported by supporting details or specific ideas. In a paragraph, there is only one general idea. It can be presented at the beginning or at the end of a paragraph. Sometimes, an author presents the general idea both in the first and the last sentence of the paragraph. The general idea has function to tell you, as the reader, what the author is going to say. Note in the following example. We Filipinos are over 52 million strong. We live in a land blessed with a sunny climate where a large variety of crops can easily be grown. Our land is fertile, our rivers teem with fish, our mountains are rich with mineral deposits of all kinds. We are considered one of the most versatile and intelligent peoples in Asia. There is no reason why we cannot develop our natural resources and be self-sufficient. Here is the general statement. We live in a land blessed with a sunny climate where a large variety of crops can easily be grown. Let's check if you can follow. In the following group of words, find out the general word. Number 1, triangle, oval, shape, square. Number 2, soap, body lotion, personal care product, shampoo. Number 3, microwave, home technology, electrical stove, refrigerator. Number 4, information media, magazine, newspaper, internet. Number 5, table, bookcase, furniture, cupboard, bed. For number 1, shape is the general word since triangle, oval, and square are specific words for shape. With number 2, these are all personal care products. Number 3, home technology. Number 4 are information media devices, and furniture for number 5. How about in the following pairs of sentences? Which sentence is more specific? A. Joanne likes reading books very much. B. Joanne likes reading true stories and books about real life very much. Letter B is more specific than letter A because the kind of stories read by Joanne is stated in the sentence. A. Reading a lot helps us to have more general knowledge and to be open-minded. B. Reading a lot has some advantages. Letter A is about advantages of reading. It is the specific statement. Identify the general idea in the following paragraph. Organization cannot exist without communication. If there is no communication, employees cannot know what their associates are doing. Management cannot receive information inputs, and management cannot give instruction. Coordination of work is impossible, and the organization will collapse for lack of it. Cooperation also becomes impossible because people cannot communicate their needs and feelings to others. We can say with some confidence that every act of communication influences the organization in some way. What is the general idea? Organization cannot exist without communication is the general idea of the paragraph. To wrap up everything that we have talked about in this lesson, remember that general statements are usually the topic sentence or the main idea of the paragraph. Specific statements are the supporting information for the topic sentence or main idea. Specific statements are the supporting information for the topic sentence or main idea. In a paragraph, there is only one general idea. After viewing and listening to this video lesson, do not forget to do these exercises as your home schoolwork for today. Worksheet number 10, English 7, 4th quarter. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson.